from the west side, Cali born and raised, right? From the town with the palm trees and good vibes. You know the best ride, soaking up the sunshine. And we hustle cause we tryna live a good life.
Nanababaw kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan, we're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, for today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa ABC Hotel. Particularly, nasa roof deck tayo.
Yes.
So, in this vlog, guys, we're gonna go to Vintage Hall. And we're gonna show you yung mga food na sinaserve nila dito. And if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
That's right.
So yun guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Vintage Hall. This is located dito sa may ABC Hotel and we were invited to come and check out. Actually, this is our first time to come and visit this place. So we got surprised na napakaganda pala talaga nito sa loob. And we're gonna, try their food today. But before that, let me give you a tour. Yun guys, so immediately you're gonna see these parang evolution of man. A little bit scary, pero very interesting. Oh! Homo sapien? Yun na tayo eh. So you should be standing there. Hi, 8-man. So dito guys, meron din tayong Drunken Monkey Tavern where you can actually order your drinks, your booze, your cocktails. Yan, pwede dito. And Wayne is our F&B manager. What's up, Wayne?
How are you?
Welcome to my vlog.
Thank you, thank you.
And then dito guys, meron tayong wooden brick oven where earlier dito yung mga niluto yung natin, sandwich and pizza. Yung unang pizza natin, you call it
Truffle mushroom.
truffle mushroom. Okay, what's in it? Ano yung what made it special, sir?
Authentic Italian recipes, including the simple flour, all imported from Italy. Just original truffle mushroom, plain and simple Italian.
Yes. And now on our table, what do we have?
ABC vegan bowl.
Vegan bowl.
At the bottom, it's layered with black rice. After the black rice, we put some mongo soup, Pinoy style, topped with chickpeas, fresh carrots, red cabbage, spinach, mushroom, grilled cherry tomato, and then red beet.
Red beet. Do you mix it ganyan
No,
or
you
no?
just have to scoop it all the way down, and you savor all the flavor.
Whew. Alright, so isa sa mga advocacy ni Vintage Hall is eating healthy. They grow their own, what do you call this? Rosemary, herbs, basil. So they have their own greenery. They ensure that yung mga pwedeng ingredients ng mga pagkain natin fresh na fresh. Oh, pang steak. Bango.
Angus tenderloin steak.
Angus tenderloin steak.
After cooking, you need to rest it a bit. So yung oil niya, they will settle.
Yes.
Because if you cook steak and then you eat it right away, it's still hot and then the oil pours out, the natural oil. So if you let it cool for a while, it will settle. When you cut it, it's so tender and the juice comes out.
And then your crispy pata, plain and simple.
It's a should try recipe.
This is your
Beef brisket sandwich, also an Italian recipe. We made some twist. It's actually a panozzo bread, freshly baked with natural house signature fillings. Pure brisket, cream, and then provolone.
Actually, ito yung mga mahirap kainin kasi napaka-messy, pero let's taste it. Wow.
So yun guys, ako naman wanna try this crispy pata. Mga tagtagyapin na eh.
Day and it is a blessing. I hit the studio cause we got a session. Sunset Boulevard where we all come through. But don't let the money and the fame change you. I'm driving down the coast, homies in the bag bumping loud. You know, we ain't got no worries. This my own, and I don't plan on leaving.
Would like like to invite you here at the Vintage Hall Restaurant, open 24 hours, located at the first floor of ABC Hotel at the Don Juico Avenue. So come check us out. We'll see you here.
Alright! First of all, wala tayong Vintage Hall for serving yung mga food kanina. Napakasarap.
Exactly. You guys, if you're interested to know more about this, check out the link and the number we're gonna be providing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.